Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. After the launch of Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8 Pro, Xiaomi is gearing up to launch another smartphone under the series. It is the Redmi Note 8T. Xiaomi hasn't confirmed the launch date of the Redmi Note 8T yet, but considering the number of leaks and rumors circulating on the internet about the smartphone, we expect it to launch very soon. Ahead of the official launch, almost everything about the Redmi Note 8T has been revealed by the leaks. Now a new leak shows live photos of the Redmi Note 8T. The live pictures show the smartphone from all sides. The live images of the Redmi Note 8T leaked by leakster Sudhanshu Ambore reveal the complete design of the smartphone. In the pictures, the Redmi Note 8T looks exactly like the Redmi Note 8 that launched in India earlier this month. In other words, the Redmi Note 8T comes with 4 cameras on the rear and dot-drop notch on the front. The notch includes the selfie camera. The smartphone sports gradient finish that makes the device look premium. The design and most of the specs of the Redmi Note 8T are expected to be the same as the Redmi Note 8. The only difference between the Redmi Note 8 and the Redmi Note 8T is said to be the NFC support. The live photos also confirm that the Redmi Note 8T will come with multifunctional NFC that isn't present on the Redmi Note 8. The live pictures further confirm that the Redmi Note 8T will come with 48MP AI quad camera setup, 6.3-inch dot-drop display, Gorilla Glass 5 protection on front and back, 4000mAh battery, 18W fast charging support, USB Type-C and Snapdragon 665 processor from Qualcomm. These specs are similar to the Redmi Note 8. In the live photos, the Redmi Note 8T appears in blue color. One of the 3 live images show the retail box of the Redmi Note 8T and it reveals that the smartphone will come in 3 color options: white, blue and black. Xiaomi is yet to confirm the launch timeline of Redmi Note 8T. Considering the rumors and leaks flooding the web, the Redmi Note 8T is expected to launch very soon. For now, there are no words on the India launch of the Redmi Note 8T. Considering India is an important market for Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 8T will likely hit the market. Well, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.